If you need to keep your WordPress site GDPR compliant, Gravity Forms has tools that can help. One quick note, while Gravity Forms includes tools to help with GDPR compliance, every site is different. Be sure to double check your own requirements with a legal advisor or compliance team. If you head to your Forms settings page, you can access the personal data settings. From here, you can choose to prevent the storage of IP addresses during form submission. And with the retention policy setting, you can opt to retain entries indefinitely or trash entries automatically after a specified number of days. If needed, you can even delete entries permanently after a certain amount of time has passed. Importantly, you can also choose to include data from your form when exporting or erasing personal data on your site. You can use the identification field to help match entries with the correct user when processing data requests. You can also specify the fields to be included when exporting or erasing personal data from your site. Together, these settings give you full control over how Gravity Forms handles personal data, helping your site stay transparent, responsible, and GDPR compliant. And if you'd like to learn more about GDPR compliance in WordPress and Gravity Forms, check out our docs site, linked below. That'll do it for this video. As always, thanks for watching.